Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have TECNO Phantom V Flip and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To set it, open Settings application. In it, choose first option, Signal Network Settings, and there Data and Security, where we choose Data Settings and Data Usage. There, Package Setup. And now we can set it. We must choose our package for maybe 1 month. There the first day of each month and how many we can enter our number, maybe in megabytes. Remember that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. Maybe we set 5000 megabytes for our limit. Confirm and we have it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.